Pakistan Storybook, Our Tale of Caring. Earth is our special home, and so is Pakistan. It is full of colors and stories. Just like our room, it needs to be kept clean. Let's learn about pollution, which can destroy the beauty of our homeland. What is pollution? So, what is pollution? Pollution is like a mess. It is not just trash. It's the grey clouds. It's the muddy waters and the too loud sounds that can make us unhappy. Air pollution. Imagine our sky not being its usual bright blue, but filled with smoky clouds. That's because some cars and factories are like chimneys. They puff out smoke. Water pollution. Imagine our waters not shiny and clear but looking muddy. That's because sometimes trash gets thrown in, making the water dirty. Water is like being clear, like a shiny mirror, so we can see our reflection. Land pollution. Think of a land as a giant playground. Imagine that playground cluttered with broken toys, wrappers, and trash. That's what land pollution is like. It's important to keep our playgrounds and our lands clean, especially for everyone's joy and health. Noise pollution. Too many loud sounds are like a big drum that never stops. It's nice when things are peaceful and we can hear the birds sing. We can make things better. Our small hands have big power. We can make Pakistan shiny and bright just by caring and learning. Cars and buses. Cars and buses are fun to ride, but they can make the sky cloudy. Maybe if we used them less, the sky would smile more. Fresh air ideas. Planting trees is like giving Earth a present. They make the air clean. And guess what? Sometimes our feet are the best cars. Loving our waters. Keeping rivers and lakes clean makes the fish happy. Water is our friend. It helps plants grow. It keeps us clean and quenches our thirst. So, shouldn't we keep it pure saving every drop. Tiny acts like not wasting water mean a lot. By saving today, we can make sure there is water for every tomorrow. Caring for the land. Guess what? Recycling is like magic. Old things turn new. And less trash means cleaner streets to play on. Turning trash to treasure. Imagine making art from old bottles. Using waste for crafts is Earth's way of smiling. This also comes with the magic of recycling. What can you recycle? Choosing to care. Small choices, big changes. Using fabric bags or saying no to plastic shows Earth we love her. A little love for the Earth goes a very long way. A promise to Pakistan. Our Pakistan is like a storybook, and it is our storybook. It is our responsibility to make sure we can make a good story with love and care. We can make sure its tales are always bright and happy. Let's make a promise to keep Pakistan clean and cared for.